Based on these expert insights, we can say that affiliate marketing in 2021 is moving in the direction of less intrusive practices with an ever-increasing focus on building trust. If Google is placing more value on users' intent in its rankings, then that needs to be reflected in affiliate marketing practices, too. And the best way to build more trust and authority is to form valuable partnerships, as recommended by the experts. By becoming one of the trusted voices in your niche, you will be able to drive conversions. Based on these expert insights, we can say that affiliate marketing in 2021 is moving in the direction of less intrusive practices with an ever-increasing focus on building trust. If Google is placing more value on users' intent in its rankings, then that needs to be reflected in affiliate marketing practices, too. And the best way to build more trust and authority is to form valuable partnerships, as recommended by the experts. By becoming one of the trusted voices in your niche, you will be able to drive conversions.
Executive summary: affiliate marketing is an ideal solution for those looking to gain control of their own income by focusing on performance-based revenue options. Working in tandem with a seller, a motivated affiliate marketer will be able to achieve.
How do affiliate marketers get paid? A quick and inexpensive method of making money without the hassle of actually selling a product. Affiliate marketing has an undeniable draw for those looking to increase their income online. But how does an affiliate get paid after linking the seller to the consumer? The answer can get complicated. The consumer doesn't always need to buy the product for the affiliate to get a kickback. Depending on the program, the affiliate's contribution to the seller's sales will be measured differently. How does affiliate marketing work? Because affiliate marketing works by spreading the responsibilities of product marketing and creation across parties, it manages to leverage the abilities of a variety of individuals for a more effective marketing strategy while providing contributors with a share of the profit. To make this work, three different parties must be involved: seller and product creators, the affiliate or advertiser, the consumer. Let's delve into the complex relationship these three parties share to ensure affiliate marketing is a success. Wake up at an ungodly hour. Drive to the office through total gridlock, streets jammed with other half-asleep commuters. Slog through email after mind-numbing email until the sweet release at 5 o'clock. Sound terrible? What if, instead of dealing with the monotony and stupor of the rat race to earn a few bucks, you could make money at any time, from anywhere, even while you sleep? That's the concept behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Extremely beneficial to both brands and affiliate marketers, the new push towards less traditional marketing tactics has paid off. In fact, 81% of brands and 84% of publishers leverage the power of affiliate marketing, a statistic that will continue to increase as affiliate marketing spending increases every year in the United States. There is a 10.1% increase in affiliate marketing spending in the United States each year, meaning that by 2020, that number will reach $6.8 billion. In 2018, content marketing costs were gauged to be 62% of traditional marketing schemes while simultaneously generating 3 times the leads of traditional methods. In fact, 16% of all orders made online can be attributed to the impact of affiliate marketing. In March of 2017, Amazon's affiliate structure changed, offering rates of 1 to 10% of product revenue for creators, providing the opportunity for affiliates to dramatically increase their passive income based on the vertical they're selling on. The affiliate marketing of Jason Stone, otherwise known as Millionaire Mentor, was responsible for as much as $7 million in retailer sales just in the months of June and July in 2017. Need to get your business online fast? Build, manage, and scale the online business you want. With Essentials, you can get up and running in less time, with less cost. Choose the best features and functionality to showcase your products and run your business, on a platform that can scale with you instead of holding you back. Start your free trial. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. The affiliate simply searches for a product they enjoy, then promotes that product and earns a piece of the profit from each sale they make. The sales are tracked via affiliate links from one website to another.
What if, instead of dealing with the monotony and stupor of the rat race to earn a few bucks, You could make money at any time, from anywhere, even while you sleep. That's the concept behind affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular tactic to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Extremely beneficial to both brands and affiliate marketers, the new push towards less traditional marketing tactics has paid off. In fact, wake up at an ungodly hour. Drive to the office through total gridlock, streets jammed with other half-asleep commuters. Slog through email after mind-numbing email until the sweet release at 5 o'clock. Sounds terrible?